Hi, I'm Kerry. I run the engineer coordination team.
Hi, my name's Josh Hampshire and I'm the operations manager at YorPower.
Afternoon, my name's Stanley McKee. I'm the technical manager here at YorPower.
Hi, I'm Brian, Head of Engineering for YorPower.
Me and my team schedule out the engineers with the right skill set to do the jobs on site, ensuring they turn up with the right equipment and tools to deliver. I've been here 15 years. Some would say we're pretty awesome.
One of the first things that I felt when I joined YorPower a few years ago was the trust and camaraderie throughout the team. My role is to keep improving our high standards on service delivery and to keep our customers happy by inspiring our people through development and management.
As members of the 5% Club, we ensure that 5% of our total employment are apprentices.
I spent a considerable amount of time in the military being taught and refining my standby power and power production skills. I support the day-to-day running of the service department and occasionally within the projects department when things require my technical expertise.
We can offer full turnkey solutions for UPS, generators and our maintenance team. We are a trusted design team, project team, installation and maintenance. Our clients have been with us for many years. We offer a full turnkey solution. We do the life cycle of these generators. We have generators that have been way past the day, over 30 years plus, but they still come back to us for a reason, because we know what we're doing and we're a very trusted company.